Spring cleaning is an annual tradition that many homeowners take part in to refresh and revitalize their living spaces. With warmer weather and longer days ahead, it's the perfect time to tackle those deep cleaning tasks that may have been neglected during winter. From decluttering and organizing to deep cleaning and refreshing your home, there are plenty of ways to prepare your home for the season. In this video, we'll share top 15 spring cleaning tips and tricks to help you get started. 1. Make a plan. Before starting your spring cleaning, create a plan of attack. Decide which areas of your home need the most attention and prioritize the tasks accordingly. This will help you stay organized and ensure you don't miss anything. For example, you can start by tackling the kitchen first, then move on to the bathrooms, bedrooms, and living areas. 2. Declutter. Spring is the perfect time to declutter your home and remove items you no longer need. Go through your closets, drawers, and cabinets and donate or throw away anything you haven't used in the last year. This will not only free up space in your home, but it will also make it easier to clean. 3. Deep clean. Once you've decluttered, it's time to deep clean. This means cleaning every nook and cranny of your home, from the baseboards to the ceiling. Use a good quality cleaning solution, and make sure to scrub thoroughly. Don't forget to clean hard-to-reach areas like behind furniture and under appliances. 4. Use natural cleaners. When cleaning your home, there's no need to use harsh chemicals. Instead, opt for honest cleaners that are better for your health and the environment. For example, you can use vinegar and baking soda to clean your kitchen and bathroom, or essential oils to freshen up your home. 5. Get help. Spring cleaning can be a big job, so don't be afraid to ask for help. Enlist the help of family members or friends, or hire a professional cleaning service to assist you. This will make the process faster and more enjoyable. 6. Focus on high-traffic areas. Pay extra attention to areas of your home that get a lot of use, such as entryways, hallways, and living rooms. These areas tend to accumulate the most dirt and grime and may need more frequent cleaning than other areas of your home. 7. Don't forget about your appliances. Spring cleaning is a great time to give your devices some TLC. Clean your oven, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher inside and out to remove any built-up grime or food particles. This will not only help them function better, but will also make them look better. 8. Wash your windows. Clean windows can instantly make your home feel brighter and more inviting. Use a window cleaning solution and a squeegee to remove dirt and streaks from your windows. Don't forget to clean the window frames and sills as well. 9. Organize your closet. Take some time to organize your closet and remove any clothes or accessories you no longer wear. Storage solutions like hangers, shelves, and baskets keep everything organized and easily accessible. This will make getting dressed in the morning much easier. 10. Clean your outdoor spaces. Spring is also a great time to spruce up your outdoor spaces. Sweep your porch or deck, wash your outdoor furniture, and plant new flowers or plants. This will help create a welcoming outdoor space for you and your guests. 11. Refresh your bedding. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your bedding. Wash your sheets, blankets, and pillowcases in hot water to kill dust mites or allergens. Consider swapping out your heavy winter comforter for a lighter one to help keep you cool during the warmer months. 12. Clean your carpets and rugs. Over time, carpets and rugs can accumulate dirt, dust, and allergens. Use a carpet cleaner or hire a professional to deep clean your carpets and rugs. This will help keep your home smelling fresh and reduce the risk of allergies. 13. Tackle your garage or storage area. Your garage or storage area can quickly become cluttered with seasonal items, tools, and equipment. Take some time to declutter and organize this space. Install shelves, hooks, and other storage solutions to keep everything in its place. 14. Dust and polish your furniture. Dust and polish all your furniture, including tables, chairs, and bookshelves. Use a microfiber cloth and furniture polish to remove any dirt and grime and make your furniture shine. 15. Check your smoke detectors and other safety equipment. Spring cleaning is also an excellent time to check your smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and fire extinguishers. Make sure they're working correctly and replace the batteries if needed. This will help ensure your home is safe and prepared in an emergency. Spring cleaning is a great way to give your home a fresh start and get ready for the warmer months ahead. By following these top 10 spring cleaning tips and tricks, you can create a clean, organized, inviting space that you'll be proud to show off. Whether you tackle the job yourself or enlist the help of a professional cleaning service, the end result will be well worth the effort. So grab your cleaning supplies and get ready to make your home shine.